Hi everyone, my name is Pitarello and I'm a Senior Application Specialist here at FARO Technologies. I'm going to be using my FARO Quantum Max scan arm along with my XP laser line probe, our performance laser line probe, to scan shiny parts. And shiny parts has always been a little bit of a struggle for light, structured light or even laser light, simply because of the fact that light bounces off of the part. So regardless, in this case, I have a polished aluminum. If it's stainless steel, if it's black shiny parts, then we're going to be able to scan that part without any problem. So let's get to it. And in terms of software, what I'm using here is our latest and greatest, our FARO CAM2 2023 for the scanning of that part. And there we have it. So I was able to scan that part with a minimum amount of outliers, or basically no outliers whatsoever. What also CAM2 2023 allows me to do is I can turn on some reflective filters. I can enable those filters, or I can also turn on our HDR mode, which would be kind of like a high definition mode. I can do a fixed exposure mode so that the laser focus on specific textures and also how shiny the part is. But right now, I'm doing that scan with our automatic normal, meaning that I didn't tweak any of those settings, but you can also do that as well. And as you can see, the result is basically a clean scan without any outliers point whatsoever. So regardless of the type of part, plastic, black, shiny parts, you're going to do well with the FARO Quantum Max scan arm with our XP performance laser line probe using our FARO CAM2 software. Thank you for watching.